Today I am going to see if this 3D printed vase can hold water. This is the side of the vase. It's kind of an interesting pattern. And this is the inside of the vase. And this is the bottom of it. There we go. So I have a small cup of water and a second camera looking at the vase. So here we go. So a small amount of water went into the bottom of the plate. The water level in the vase is gradually going down. I will zoom in a bit. The water level in the vase is slowly going down. So I will leave this for a few minutes and then come back. So after around 15 minutes, this is what happened. The water level in the vase dropped quite a bit. If I can get the camera to focus. There we go. And also, there's quite a bit of water in the plate. So this was an interesting experiment.